welcome back to my journey to become a profitable trader. So as you can see today, I broke my rules. Took 9 trades. Why did I do that? I've been consistent every single day since the 21st. 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. My limit is 3 trades. And what did I do today? 9. I'm very disappointed in myself. All of these, they were like not even the greatest trades. Like if I waited for the higher time frame, such as 1 hour, to tell me what price is going to do, I could have done exceptionally well. But I chased, I overtraded, I gambled, and fortunately I didn't lose too much money. But honestly, this is the worst thing you can do as a trader, which is break your own rules. Look at all these trades, like, bruh. I know I wrote 9, that's because like I count 1, 2, like the same trade as 1, like I scaled into that one, reversed, like I did very bad for how I should trade, and this is the complete opposite of trying to become a profitable trader. This is kind of like negatively, I need to be content with taking a loss, because if you can take a loss, you can close your day and not lose any more because of tilt. Once you lose calm and overtrade, that's when you just keep trading the randomest setups, and that's how you blow your account. I partially blame, it was completely my fault, but the market looked like it was going to move so much today that I just FOMO'd. I FOMO'd into every single trade. So in the morning, I'll go through my plan. So this is typically, I create a game plan, pre-market, intraday, I write my notes, and then I take 3 trades max, 1 strategy, use my risk management, $500 max limit. So in the morning, yesterday's candle took out both high and low. Like, look at this. Yesterday's candle took out yesterday's high and the lows. So when that happens, you don't know which side it wants to take, but clearly in the morning, like, it was looking a bit looked like it was going up. Okay, so this makes it quite difficult to figure out your bias, and it was also a Friday. So Friday is typically TGIF, according to ICT, where you just retrace on the weekly candle. You don't make a large move. And that's what I was going into the market looking like. So I thought we just sweep the low Asia, come back up, take out these relatively equal highs, kind of just like trade between here. And that was my 1 hour plan. So 1 hour plan, on the 1 hour I see consolidation since Asia consolidated. We traded higher from the lows, and this seems like a troubled area, because when a lot of new day opening gaps overlap and a lot of these PD arrays overlap, that's when price goes back and forward. But I guess we already had that back and forward since Asia all night. And then we had that fake breakout in the morning. So yeah, so I thought this fake breakout was just like, it was quite small, so I didn't really think much of it. And as you can see, I just thought like maybe we'll continue a bit higher, or we'll come back down, then come back up. So that's what I thought. Price consolidated overnight. That was what happened overnight. What is something important for today? As we have consolidation, it doesn't look too weak. I'm still anticipating a buy side run. So that's my second problem. I had the wrong bias. I thought we were going for buy side as well. Typically the whole week I've had the right bias. This is the first day I've got it wrong, and that really messed up my game plan. And then, so these were the levels I was looking for. So buy side and then sell side. So sell side I got Asia low. So sell side, I got Asia low, RTH gap, constant encroachment, order block, which is here, 1 hour. So I got the order block here, plus fair value gaps. So that was where we initially retraced, like that was kind of perfect. Bang, straight back up. And then new day opening gap, which was here. It's another area to trade off. And then previous day low. So that's my final target for the day, if I was going bearish, but I wasn't. So 9:30, I saw price looked heavy. We just started dropping so much. And that's where I started like trading a lot. As I saw this drop, I thought this was the real manipulation. After that, I should have thought about that before the market opened. But for some reason, I didn't even cross my mind that this was the real manipulation, and we are actually dropping now. So price dropped heavily. I entered. Consolidation, there was a lot of consolidation this morning. Chopped up everyone. That's where I took a lot of trades too, like, not gonna lie. A lot of like sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Yeah. So first mistake. Second mistake, when you look at the hourly, the 15-minute, massive gap, right? What did I think? I thought, because now we've manipulated here, I thought now this could be the manipulation. So I had a trade entered here, and I thought we're just going to keep going higher now to take out the highs. Again, I should have seen that relative equal highs, another failed high, and we dropped. This is definitely a good area to drop from. This is a key area. This happens all the time. And when you get a market structure shift like this, we're not going to just retrace higher. We had all of these people manipulate them into going higher. Of course, we're going to take them lower to the sell side. So this was another potential entry, but I didn't look at it from the higher time frame perspective. So yeah, so kind of because I had my bias wrong, it messed up the rest of my day, because I just gambled. I kept going into the market thinking that I'll find something. I took very tight risk, high leverage trades. Was my bias correct? No, I was lost in the bias this morning. Then after price opened, I started entering. That was my second mistake. I didn't even get to trade my plan properly because I just didn't have a plan. In the morning, I felt good after a strong week of winning, so I kind of was also a bit happy in terms of like a bit too confident. And when you're too confident, the market humbles you. Felt bad after the trading day because I broke so many rules. I took 9 trades. I have 3 as a limit. I don't know what came over me. I just kept trading. Eventually, I locked myself out, so yeah. I would have probably kept trading, to be honest. I would have kept going for the sells. That now I know that we're going for this low. I would have just kept going. Oh my god, that's actually... Damn, this is like the perfect sell. So mistakes day. So I just started randomly gambling. I wanted to run up my account. I took so many trades, it's crazy. The reason was I felt like I knew what the market was going, where the market was going, and there was going to be a large move today after watching what happened. I need to study today. I'm definitely going to study this move on how an intermediate term high is formed after a large expansion, because this is quite key. Intermediate term high, then back down. Yeah. I've been up this whole week and been trading such bad price action that today I felt like I deserved to be in a move, which was easy. Because I knew that today we're going to have such a large move, I thought if I kept a tight stop loss, it would just keep dropping and dropping and dropping and never come back. That's my second issue. It is happening now, but I'm not in it. After being in a loss, I wanted to get back into profit because I thought price is easy to trade. when price is so one directional, you just want to keep getting back in and put very tight loss. But the 1 minute does fluctuate, and that fluctuation can take you out quite a bit. So there's no point taking these extra risks. The biggest problem I faced today was price looked so clean, which I already mentioned, and I wasn't in it. Then price came back to retrace, and my mind thought we are going to inverse. Then I flipped bias again because I couldn't read the high time or frame order flow. This caused me to go back and forth, and I think I need to, over the weekend, I'm going to figure out if I need to stick to one bias only, or maybe I can flip once after the opening. But I think the 1 hour needs to tell me where price is going. I think that's kind of like, and I shouldn't even drop down. Like after this high sweep and then back down, this should have told me everything. Like, just wait for the retracement, just anywhere within this area. Put the stop loss at the high of this candle. It's anywhere around here. 4 to 1. 4 to 1. Look how easy today was. If I just put a higher time frame stop loss, I knew we were going to go lower after seeing this kind of price action, but why did I think we're going to flip? But that's a part of reading price. You see different things. Everyone sees different things. What did I do well? Nothing today. I broke 2 weeks of good habits. And how can I improve tomorrow? All my mistakes I made today, but the main thing is I need to stick to my rules. So I'm going to review my rules. Next week I will try follow it. So not try, I will follow it. No matter what loss I'm in, whatever drawdown I'm in. Also drawdown, that's something else that gets me. Being in drawdown makes me want to trade more to break even. It just keeps making me want to trade more. So yeah, like and subscribe if you want to follow my journey, but today was not the day for me. We'll give you a weekly review and update my process on what I think I need to do next week to improve. But luckily I didn't take too much of an L on my account, like only 140 down. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video, and take care.